How to download a high-resolution Google Maps image. Let's go ahead and open up the web browser. First, go to Google Search and type Google My Maps. You will need a Google account to use this feature. Once you see Google My Maps in the search results, click on it. After opening Google My Maps, you'll see an option to create a new map. Click on Create New Map. At the top, you'll see Untitled Map. Click there and give your map a name. For example, I'll call this one Stratford Map, then click Save. Next, go to the search bar and type your desired location. I'll type London E15. Click on the location or pin that appears, and the map will zoom into that area. Simply search for any relevant location or district you want. Here you can see Stratford and nearby places like Olympic Park and Westfield Shopping Centre. If you're visiting London, Stratford is a great place to explore, with a large shopping centre and a beautiful park near the Olympic Stadium. Now click on the three-dot menu and select Print Map. You'll get several options. Open the drop-down menu and choose A3, which is the largest size available. I prefer setting it to landscape mode, but you can keep it in portrait if you want. Select Image, then click the Print button. A new tab will open asking you to print the document. Instead of printing, click Cancel. You'll see the image displayed in the background. You can right-click on the image and choose Save Image As, or simply drag and drop it onto your desktop. If you want to use a map on a website, embedding Google Maps directly might be better. But if you need a high-resolution image for printing or design purposes, this method works really well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.